Welcome to Review Source. Today, we're looking at the best digital measurement tapes. We chose these for accuracy, practical stuff you'll actually use, and durability. Some are simple hybrids, others are basically computers. We'll break it all down. For the latest prices, check the links in the description. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the PREXISO 2-in-1 tape measure. This one is a bit of a weird beast. At first glance, the design is simple, nothing flashy, just standard yellow and black plastic. It feels okay, maybe a little plasticky, but sturdy enough for a home toolbox. It packs a 135-foot laser measure, which is great for shooting distances across a room. But here's the thing you need to know. Actually, it's the most important thing. That 16-foot tape measure attached to it, it's totally manual. Don't get it twisted. The digital screen shows the laser distance, not the tape line reading. So if you pull the tape out, you're reading lines with your eyes, not on a screen. Big distinction. However, the laser side is pretty smart. You get 6 modes, including area and volume. Accuracy is down to about 1/8 inch. Plus, the blade has a magnetic tip, which is super handy if you're working alone and need to stick it to a pipe. It's also rechargeable via USB-C. No hunting for batteries. Users say it's easy to learn, though the laser struggles a bit in bright sunlight. It runs around $49.99. A solid deal, but only if you care more about the laser than the tape. Moving on, we've got the MiLESEEY DT20 Digital Measure. This feels a bit more integrated than the PREXISO. It's truly a 2-in-1. It blends a 130-foot laser with a 16-foot digital tape measure. And yes, that means what you think it means. When you pull the tape out, the screen actually tells you the measurement in real time. No more squinting at tiny lines in a dark corner. It's quite clear, actually. The digital tape is accurate to about 1/16 inch. Design-wise, it's got a compact gray and black look. Nice and easy to carry without weighing your pants down. One specific thing people love is the versatility. You can switch units instantly. Working in inches, but the plans are in centimeters? Just hit a button. It saves up to 20 measurements too. That's great if you left your pen in the other room. Like the previous one, it's rechargeable. Is it perfect? Not quite. A few users mentioned the tape itself feels a little flimsy compared to a heavy-duty Milwaukee. Also, if the laser lens gets dirty, it gets finicky. But for the price, usually around $58.99, it solves a lot of headaches. Next up, let's look at the LEXIVON 2-in-1 Digital Tape Measure. If you're tough on your gear, pay attention. This unit looks rugged with its anti-skid rubberized ABS case. It feels good in the hand, like it can take a drop. It combines a 130-foot laser with a 16-foot auto lock tape. Now, about that auto lock, ideally it holds the tape out for you, but some users describe it as a soft lock. Basically, you can still pull the tape out even when it's supposedly locked. It can be annoying if you need precise tension. On the tech side, it gives you fractional measurements on a big LCD. The blade is nylon coated, which is a nice touch. It prevents the numbers from wearing off. And it's got a true zero magnetic hook. Here is the catch though. It doesn't use a rechargeable battery. You're looking at 2 AAA batteries. Some pros actually prefer this. You can swap them instantly instead of waiting to charge, but for home users, it might be a hassle. Customers usually call it a nice quality tool, despite some complaints about the laser accuracy. It costs about $59.97.
Then there's the Fanttik A10 Pro Measure. This thing tries to look future-focused. The star of the show is the HD color display. Seriously, it looks like a smartwatch. It puts out 500 nits of brightness. Why does that matter? Because if you're outside in the sun, standard LCD screens wash out. This one stays visible. Big win. It packs a 165-foot laser measurement, which is longer than the others. But the physical tape is shorter, only 9.8 feet. That's the trade-off. It's really meant for shorter physical measurements and longer laser shots. It also measures angles. If you're installing stair railings, that feature is gold. Accuracy for the laser is plus or minus 1/8 inch. Power-wise, it's Type-C rechargeable, giving over 5,000 uses per charge. People call it a pro-level tool. though a few users found the controls a tad confusing at first since there are so many modes. Also, the retractor button feels a bit soft. It sells for around $79.99, but you can usually catch it on sale.
Finally, we're looking at the REEKON T1 Tomahawk tape measure. Okay, this one is for the serious pros, or folks who just love gadgets. It's got a hefty price tag, but it packs some serious tech. The T1 is self-calibrating and offers accuracy beyond 1/32 inch. That is incredibly precise. You get a green laser guide, not red, green. Green is way easier to see in daylight. But the coolest part, it's got a side-mounted e-paper display, kind of like a Kindle screen. It acts like a digital notepad built right onto the tape. Also, it syncs with the Rock Job Site app via Bluetooth. You can literally create a cut list on the tape and send it to your phone. The build quality is designed for job site chaos. Drop tested, solid. But yeah, the price. It's about $259.99. That is steep. Users call it a total shift in efficiency for framers. But some complain about a learning curve. It's not just pull and read. And weirdly, a few people have had the holster clip break. On a $260 tool, that hurts. And that wraps up the top 5 best digital measurement tapes. Whether you need a simple hybrid or a full-on job site computer, one of these should fit the bill. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.